Right now, you're carrying a program. Not on your phone. Not on your laptop. Inside your mind, and here's the strange part, this program is not yours, it was written for you. By the people who raised you. The schools that graded you. The society that told you what's realistic, and if you've ever felt like manifestation doesn't work for you. It's because this program is quietly running your life like background code. It tells you what to believe, what to expect, and most dangerously, what you think is possible for you. But what if you could uninstall it? And replace it with a program so aligned, so tuned to your desires, that your reality had to shift. Welcome to the laws of the universe. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reprogram your mind to manifest your desires, not in theory, but in a way that forces your external world to bend to match your internal one. Step 1. Understand the programming trap. Your subconscious is like a loyal but literal servant. It doesn't care if the command is "I'm broke" or "I'm abundant." It just obeys whatever it hears repeatedly. Think of it like soil. Plant weeds, you get weeds. Plant roses, you get roses. But here's where most people go wrong. They try to plant roses in soil still full of weeds. They repeat affirmations, but under the surface, the old program is still running. So the first rule is, you can't overwrite fear with words alone. You must shift the emotional state the old program lives in. Step 2. Break the emotional loop. Every thought you think fires a chemical reaction in your body. Fear triggers cortisol. Joy triggers dopamine. Over years, your body becomes addicted to these chemicals, even the negative ones. This is why people can feel weirdly comfortable and struggle. To reprogram, you have to interrupt the pattern. Here's one method, the state flip. Next time you catch yourself thinking in lack, pause, close your eyes, breathe in for 4 seconds and then instantly shift into the feeling of having what you want. Don't picture the money. Picture what your body would feel like with the freedom it brings. Do it sharply, like slamming a door on the old thought. Over time, your brain learns, oh, we don't run the lack program anymore. Step 3. Install the new code. Your subconscious speaks in imagery, emotion, and repetition. So the fastest way to install a new program is through sensory saturation. Every day, immerse yourself in the environment of your desire. If you want wealth, surround yourself, visually, audibly, emotionally, with symbols of wealth. Not to fake it, but to teach your mind, this is normal now. If your desire is love, speak as if love is already woven into your daily life. If it's freedom, structure your days as if you already have the time and choice you dream of. The subconscious learns from evidence, so give it evidence, even if you create it artificially at first. Step 4. Collapse the distance. Most people keep their desires in the future. They want them, which tells the subconscious, we don't have this yet. To manifest faster, you must speak and act from the state of already having it. This is Neville Goddard's most powerful teaching. Assume the wish fulfilled. When you walk, walk as the person who already has the result. When you speak, speak as the person whose life already matches the vision. The moment you do this, your subconscious doesn't just hope, it begins to seek, filter, and attract everything that matches your assumed reality. Step 5. Anchor it until it's permanent. Reprogramming is not a one-time switch. It's a daily tuning. Just like a musician keeps their instrument in tune, you must keep your mind aligned. Here's a simple anchoring ritual. Morning, 3 minutes of vivid mental rehearsal, living the day in your desired reality. Daytime, quick state flips whenever old thoughts appear. Night, fall asleep imagining a single scene that proves your desire is real. Within weeks, you'll notice it's harder to remember your old beliefs. They'll feel like a dream you woke up from. Here's the truth they never tell you. Reprogramming your mind isn't about faking it till you make it. It's about becoming so convinced, so emotionally saturated with your new reality, that your nervous system accepts it as fact. And when the subconscious accepts it as fact, the external world has no choice but to conform. You're not trying to manifest. You're being the manifestation, and that's when the universe moves. So, the real question is, are you willing to uninstall the program you've carried your whole life? Are you willing to let go of the old identity, even if it feels familiar? Because if you are, the process has already begun. The moment you decided to reprogram your mind, you stopped living as the old you, and the new program, the one that matches your desires, is already downloading. now all you have to do is keep installing it until it becomes who you are.